Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
See ya, soldier. Come on by Sergeant Surplus Hut for all your government surplus needs.
Oh, honey, surplus.
We have
Hicks here with the racer taking the circuit by storm. Jackson Storm. Another easy win over old
Roy, we need your crane! Right away!
And number 3, you have to do whatever I tell you to do, okay?
Movie. I thought it was just a preview and I didn't realize I was paying for it. PPS.
Amber! You must leave the snake alone. It will only attack you if you bother it.
You are a sight for sore headlights. I'm so sorry I lost you, boss. I'll make it up to you.
Mac.
I haven't gone this fast in years. I'm gonna blow a gasket or something.
Speed.
Thanks, guys.
points lead heading into the final race of the season. And the winner of this race, Darryl, will win the season title.
It's a conspiracy, man! The oil company's got a grip on the government! They're feeding us.
No one has come, and I have lost all the animals. Sir Topham Hatt will be
Queen's the winner! Francesco second, and they have no idea what happened behind them.
This is impossible!
Despite what occurred today.
Last race, Lightning McQueen must be killed.
These folks are gonna get a kick out of meeting Hud's boy.
Who's Hud? Oh, not.
Good jigger! I've been kind of lonely. Nobody to hang out with. I make some.
to show the very important visitor that I was just like any other steamy.
I must sound brighter. Always good.
I hereby dub thee.
Crop offers that.
I'm running on vapors. I need to land.
What are you doing out here with an empty tank?
Well, I thought I'd...
Oye, Wingo, otro carril, ahí va.
Ahí va de regreso.
Go! How do I do this? Come on, baby.
Mr. McQueen.
Cruz, thank you for the old man training, as crazy as it was.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will beat.
To help you. As your sponsor, yes, but also as your friend. Your racing days.
McQueen and Sally, part beneath the cake. K-I-S-S.
Hello, Faith. Drop and give me 20 miles. Go, 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 go. Go!
Man!
¿Qué les pasa? ¿Se dan por vencidos? ¡Ah! ¡Tras él!
Wow. Subtle.
Figured if I'm gonna be your crew chief, I'd better do it in style.
My GPS is saying I have slow traffic in my way.
No, you are not winning this.
But I changed the direction of my life when I started Ms. Fritter's Racing School!
Order in the court. Seems like my mind has been changed.
Ow.
Excuse me. Pardon me. Coming through. Good to see you. My bad. Hey, Ricky. How's the kid? What's your hood?
Tomica, it's voice activated. But, you know, everything's voice activated these days.
My baby Ramon can get that fixed up for you in no time.
Yeah, sure thing, man. No problemo. Just...
Lightning McQueen!
Wow. What do you think? Radiator Springs looks pretty good on me.
Hey, Doc! Come look at this fellow on the radio. He looks just like you.
What just happened?